They are shiny, they are pretty. You'll see them at weddings. They are glittery, they are enchanting. They say they are a girl's best friend. Did you figure out what we're talking about? Diamonds, yes. From proposals to gifts for our loved ones, diamonds are the timeless tokens of enigma. But this enigma comes at a cost, rather, a heavy cost. However, now getting a diamond is no big deal. With some amount of savings, even you can get one. How? Well, a lab diamond is the best bet. It's similar to a natural one, it looks alike, it's cheaper, but is it real? That's what we will find out in our video. In this video, we will discuss if lab diamonds are real. Lab-grown diamonds are known by many names: cultured diamonds, man-made diamonds, synthetic diamonds, and several more. Regardless of what you call them, they certainly have created a wave in the diamond industry. At the same time, lab-grown diamonds raise a series of never-ending questions, most of which are born out of the skepticism that revolves around the word synthetic being associated with lab-grown diamonds. But before we delve into that, let's find out how a lab-grown diamond is made. Lab-grown diamonds are grown in a lab. These labs use cutting-edge technology to replicate the natural processes that create diamonds found in the earth. The end result is a lab-created diamond that is same as a mined diamond, chemically, physically, and optically. But all this kept aside, are lab diamonds real diamonds? Short answer, yes. Long answer, let me explain. The Federal Trade Commission (FTC) defines a diamond as a pure crystallized carbon in the isometric cubic system, whether it is mined from the earth or grown in a lab. The FTC has chosen this definition of a diamond as both lab-grown diamonds and mined diamonds have the same chemical, optical, and physical properties. This means that regardless of the origin, crystallized carbon is a gemstone known as a diamond. Lab-grown diamonds are identical to diamonds found in the earth in every way. Both share the same qualities and characteristics like their chemical composition, cubic crystalline structure, a refractive index of 2.42, dispersion of 0.044, the same hardness and a density of 3.52. So whether it is mined or grown in a lab, unless it possesses these properties, a diamond is a diamond. So if both are similar, why lab diamonds over naturally mined ones? Well, there are numerous notable benefits of lab-grown diamonds. While lab diamonds are equally as beautiful as diamonds found in the earth, beauty isn't the only thing that lab-grown diamonds have going for them. It is their features and benefits that add to their value. They are a socially responsible choice. One of the major benefits of lab-grown diamonds is that you know exactly where the diamond originated. Many traditionally mined diamonds come from conflict regions. This has raised both ethical and humanitarian concerns. The diamond industry has been linked to child labor, poor working conditions, human rights violations, and funding armed conflicts. With lab-grown diamonds, you can be at peace of mind knowing your diamond wasn't involved in the bloody diamond trade. It has a smaller environmental impact. Mining for a diamond has a tremendous impact on the environment. Between 88,000 and 176,000 pounds of dirt must be sifted through to find a single 1 carat diamond. Thanks to the advanced technology, diamonds can now be obtained without going through this havoc. Lab grown diamonds are pocket friendly. With a lab grown diamond, you will be able to get a bigger stone or a higher quality for your limited budget. This is because lab grown diamonds can be up to 40% less expensive than traditionally mined diamonds of the same quality. As processes of creating lab grown diamonds continue to improve, the difference in price between the two types of diamonds is likely to continue to grow. You get better quality for the price when you purchase a lab grown diamond. Lab grown diamonds are made in a controlled environment. Although each diamond will differ in quality, similar as in mined diamonds, every lab diamond is graded using the 4 C's of diamond quality: cut, color, clarity, and carat weight. This is true for both lab diamonds and mined diamonds. The price of a diamond is determined based on how it performs in each of these categories. While no two diamonds will be exactly the same, whether lab or pulled from the earth, you can get a better quality for the same amount you would spend on a mined diamond. Rapid growth. Unlike billions of years it takes to create mined diamonds, lab grown diamonds typically take less than a month to grow. So, can we tell the difference between the two? No, not unless you are a gemologist ready to use your equipment and assess the two. Lab grown diamonds are identical to lab mined diamonds. Even to the trained eye, it is impossible to tell the difference between a diamond grown in a lab and an earth mined diamond. Distinguishing between the two requires a trained gemologist and sophisticated equipment specifically designed for identifying lab grown diamonds. Traditional observations and diamond detectors cannot tell the difference, and they cannot detect the two kinds of diamond apart from one another since they are identical both chemically and optically. So a lab grown diamond and a mined diamond will look the same and you won't be able to tell. Now the question stands that do lab diamonds have a resale value? Even though you will hear about the vacuum in the lab diamond resale market, you must note that that is not true. While some jewelers might not buy your lab grown diamonds, there is a considerable market that has space for buyers and sellers of lab grown diamonds. However, the resale value might not be as high as naturally mined diamonds. But here it's important to highlight that you invest more in a naturally mined diamond as compared to a lab grown one. So, greater the investment, more is the resale value. But in any case, diamonds do not have a dynamic market fluctuation. And if you are planning to invest, then diamonds, be it a lab grown or naturally mined, are not a great option. But when it comes to investing memories, moments, love, and adoration, then yes, diamonds are the right choice. And when we talk of investments, we believe that investing your time and attention to our channel will get you some great returns in terms of knowledge and awareness. So, take a step further. Become an avid investor of wonder and subscribe to our channel. Like our video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Stay curious, stay awesome. Until we meet next, World of Vox signing off.